Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Talk about a unique truck, one of a kind, 2014 Ford F-150 Lariat with a custom paint job, as you can see. Hopefully the red, white, and blue theme is your thing. If not, you probably need to move on to the next video. This is one awesome truck. It's got the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors. It's got the running boards. It's a Lariat, so it's going to have all the options. Got your fog lights, automatic headlights. Got a cool buck shield. It's got engine remote start. You just lock it, push this button twice, cranks right up. It's got the reliable 5.0 V8. This is a one owner Southern truck, no rust, non-smoker, in light new condition. This was somebody's baby. Got the keypad entry or the remote. It does have power folding heated mirrors. You can fold them in for a car wash or a tight garage. Got power windows, power locks, memory seats, power seats on both sides, lumbar support, heated and cool leather seat in excellent condition. Got clean carpets and floor mats, adjustable power pedals. This thing's got it all. All you do now is turn the key on. There it goes. About the miles. 25,918 miles. Not only is it a beautiful truck, it's got very low miles. Got all your trip computer, all your information, easy to read display, leather wrapped steering wheel. Got all your audio controls, got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming, cruise control. This one's got the optional electronic locking rear differential. I believe the axle ratio is 3/5. Trailer brake controller. It's got a large touchscreen, heated and cool seats, dual climate control. Passenger and driver can have their own temperature. Entertainment, we've got AM, FM, Sirius satellite, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and auxiliary input. So just about every format. It's got the travel link, weather. You have to subscribe for all that, but it's basically like the internet. And navigation system. Backup camera. There's all your controls. Pretty straightforward. Automatic transmission. With manual mode, you can upshift and downshift. Got the tow mode. Large storage compartment. Some USB. Owner's manual, extra key. It's got power sliding rear glass with defrost. Still smells new. Looks and drives like a new truck too. It's a full-size crew cab, so you got all this leg room. You can raise it up and have some extra space. You've got a 110 outlet here and a 12-volt outlet. Got some nice 20-inch aluminum wheels with some good tires. Got a clean frame with no rust or mud, anything like that. Beautiful ARE fiberglass tonneau cover. It's lockable. And a nice bed rug on the inside. Looks very nice in here. Very clean. power seat on the passenger side also. Get the extra key. This truck listed for right at $46,000. They're about 50 now, and that's without the custom paint job too. Get the 5.0 V8. Nice proven engine, plenty of power, decent fuel mileage. As you can see, the engine compartment's nice and clean. No rust, no mud. This F150 still got the remainder of the factory warranty, the 5-year 60 on the powertrain. If you're looking for an awesome truck that nobody else has in light new condition at an affordable price, I believe you found it. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. To see if this truck's still for sale and to see my credit app on the website, go to sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime. 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.